So, the neutron becomes the proton plus an electron. There's one other thing produced. Don't get worried about it. It's called an antineutrino. An antineutrino, don't worry about what it does. This is high school, but I still feel that I should be truthful with you. This is what happens. The neutron becomes a proton, an electron, and that. Okay? The textbook doesn't show that. So in a sense, the textbook is not being honest with you, Jared. Sorry about that.
Please excuse the interruption. We are dealing with some internet problems. Rudolph must have gotten into the high wires, and we are down with power supply and internet. So please.
That's horrible.
Thank you.
Who likes venison? All right. Poor Rudolph. All right. So anyhow, for the fourth time, a neutron can turn into a proton, an electron, and this antineutrino. An electron is the same thing as a beta particle. Okay. So I'm sorry, but there are two names for the same thing. A beta particle is an electron is a beta particle. So sometimes you will see this written like this. I'm not sure why they have two names for the same thing. I'm assuming it is because maybe they didn't know what a beta particle was at first, and then later on they're like, oh, it's just an electron. That's my guess. But an electron, actually I don't think I should have that negative written up there. I think that'll just confuse people. So, but an electron is a beta particle. So, let me show you what's going on here on the old overhead. So here is iodine. Iodine 131. If you look over here, you will see 3 neutrons. Okay? 1, 2, 3 neutrons. Those, there's too many neutrons. One of them will turn into a proton. So there's that neutron turning into a proton, and shooting out is the electron. And this is what's the dangerous thing. Okay? That's the beta particle, that's the radiation, that's what causes trouble. So if this thing hits your DNA, it will break your ladder apart and maybe cause your cell to die or cause your DNA to mutate, which could be bad, might give you cancer. So like I said yesterday, radiation can kill your cell, but it can also give your cell cancer. Any questions? Well, let me demonstrate this.